Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Google Keep. We'll explore their fundamental differences to help you decide which tool best suits your needs. Notion serves as a powerful, all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and project management, offering immense flexibility. In contrast, Google Keep is designed for quick, simple note-taking and reminders, prioritizing speed and ease of use. Understanding these core purposes is key to making an informed choice for your personal or professional organization. Notion boasts advanced features like linked databases, custom templates, and extensive formatting, allowing for highly structured information. It supports embedding dozens of media types and integrates with many external services. Google Keep, however, focuses on simplicity, providing basic checklists, color-coded notes, and location-based reminders. Its strength lies in seamless integration with other Google services, making it incredibly convenient for quick captures and simple organization without a steep learning curve. Notion is ideal for complex projects, team collaboration, and building comprehensive personal knowledge bases, offering a robust framework for detailed planning. If you require a powerful, all-in-one solution for intricate workflows, Notion is your go-to. Google Keep, conversely, shines for quick notes, shopping lists, and simple, on-the-go reminders. It's perfect for individuals who prioritize speed and straightforwardness for everyday tasks, needing just a few seconds to jot down an idea. Regarding cost, Google Keep is entirely free to use across all platforms, making it highly accessible. Notion offers a generous free personal plan, but advanced features and team functionalities require paid subscriptions, starting from around $8 per month. Both are available on web, mobile, and desktop. However, Notion has a steeper learning curve due to its extensive capabilities, whereas Google Keep is intuitive from the first second, requiring virtually no setup time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.